Ever wondered how the humble potato transforms into your favorite snacks? From the soil of vast potato farms to the crispy chips on your plate, let's uncover the fascinating journey of potatoes from farm to factory. It all starts here on a potato farm. Farmers plant seed potatoes in fertile soil during the growing season. These plants thrive with the perfect balance of sunlight, water, and care. After months of hard work, the potatoes are ready to be harvested. Using specialized machines, farmers gently dig up the potatoes from the soil, ensuring they're intact and ready for the next step. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to the factory, where they undergo a rigorous cleaning process. High-pressure water jets remove dirt and debris. Next, they are sorted. Only the best potatoes make the cut. Ones that are uniform in size and free from blemishes. At the factory, the transformation begins. Potatoes are peeled and sliced into thin, even pieces. The thickness varies depending on whether they'll become chips, fries, or other products. After slicing, the potatoes are fried to golden perfection in high-quality oil. They're then seasoned with a variety of flavors, from classic salt to bold and spicy blends. Once flavored, the snacks are packed in airtight bags to maintain freshness. These packages are then boxed and shipped to stores worldwide, ready to be enjoyed. From farm to factory to your hands, the journey of a potato is truly remarkable. So, the next time you enjoy a crispy chip or a golden fry, remember the care and effort behind every bite. world of onion farming, where technology meets tradition to produce one of the most essential ingredients in kitchens worldwide. From planting to packaging, you'll see how these flavorful bulbs make their way from the farm to your table. The process begins here, in the fields, where onions are cultivated with care. Using modern techniques like precision irrigation and soil testing, farmers ensure the best quality harvest. We monitor soil nutrients and use drip irrigation to conserve water while maximizing yield. Once the onions are ready, they're carefully harvested using advanced machinery to reduce waste. And maintain quality. After harvesting, they're transported to the factory for processing. At the factory, the onions go through rigorous sorting, advanced optical sensors, and conveyor systems separate onions by size, shape, and quality. Only the best onions make it to the next stage. The rest are repurposed or composted to ensure zero waste. After sorting, the onions are packed in eco-friendly bags. Labeled and prepared for shipment. From here, they head to markets and stores around the globe. Did you know some onion farms use drones to monitor crop health? With cutting-edge technology, onion farming is becoming more efficient and sustainable than ever. From farm to factory, the journey of an onion is fascinating and full of innovation. Next time you slice an onion, you'll know the incredible process behind it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes farming content.